Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Gyan Niti. So, are you looking to add life and energy to your home? From cooking dinners in the kitchen to lounging in the living room, the decor you choose can create a unique vibe in every room. The art you display and the photos of your favorite memories can create an upbeat, relaxing, rustic or quirky feel. So adding wall art is a simple way to decorate and many pieces are easy enough to make yourself. Today I have 25 creative DIY wall art ideas that will transform your space. From canvas paintings to ornate mirrors, we have inspiration for every style. Not only are these ideas fun to make, but you'll have one-of-a-kind decor ready too. So let's get started, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button right below. Number 1. Metallic clipboards. Give your walls personality by hanging decorative clipboards. Add metallic flair with spray paint, then let it dry before placing your to-do list, photos and favorite quotes on the wall. Number 2 is painted wall pattern. The best wall decoration ideas are ones that burst with personality. Paint an entire wall with a design you love, like flowers, trees or mountains or even birds or whatever it is. Number 3 is shoebox wall shelves. Build rectangular shelves out of shoe boxes. Paint them with different colors for added texture and dimension. Then fill your shelves with flowers, succulents and decorative vases. Number 4 is geometric painting. So paint a blank canvas in a geometric design. Draw your pattern with a pencil beforehand to guide the look you want. Choose a variety of paints inclusive of complementary and contrasting colors. Number 5 is popsicle stick art. So fasten popsicle sticks together with glue, then paint your wooden board with a range of colors. This simple art is great for bathrooms and guest bedrooms. Number 6 is framed scarf art. So looking for creative wall decor ideas? Then repurpose a scarf to make unique artwork. Line a picture frame with the piece of fabric and hang it on the wall to add character to the room. Number 7 is washi tape decals. So choose a colored washi tape to accent a wall in your room. Form simple designs like crosses, polka dots or stripes across your wall. Number 8 is gallery wall. So design a gallery wall using framed photos and artwork. And don't forget to choose complementary colors for a professional looking arrangement, and also do not forget to add in uplifting word art. Number 9 is DIY palette frame. For a rustic farmhouse look, build picture frames that resemble wood palettes. Keep them a natural wood color or paint them white for neutral pieces that can be hung in any room. Using these wooden palettes, you can also build shelves and stands to place your lightweight artifacts and also old photographs. Number 10 is burlap sign. So fashion a decorative sign out of wood and burlap. Then using acrylic paint and stencils, try adding a quote and image that inspire you for a personal touch for your room. Number 11 is adventure art. So do you have photos, maps or posters of a favorite place that you have visited? Frame them so that your walls will remind you of your beautiful adventures and inspire you to go on for more. Number 12 is feather art. So loop feathers together with yarn to create a textured art piece. Then fasten the feathers in circular fashion for extra fullness. Your eye-catching decor will surely be a conversation starter. Number 13 is wood sticks. Arrange wood sticks in a pattern to create a hexagon, trapezoid or other unique shape. Tie the sticks together with a thread and needle for art that will hang naturally on your wall. Number 14 is starburst mirror. Form a festive design around the mirror to resemble a starburst. Then paint bamboo sticks a metallic shade for a mirror that really pops up. Number 15 is geometric wood art. So start with a flat wooden board as your base for this geometric art. Then glue on triangular pieces of wood in a symmetric pattern. After that, paint the triangles a range of colors from white to pink to green for a colorful 3D art for your room. Number 16 is polka dot canvases. Align painted dots evenly across a canvas using a sponge. Interchange the color of your dots in random order for a simple yet stylish piece of art. Number 17 is fabric designs. So trim fabric into 2 equal strips. Then form a cross on a canvas and secure the 2 pieces with string. Select floral or pattern fabrics for extra flair. Number 18 is string art. So you can choose a favorite animal, flower or word to create your string art design. The supply list for this project is short and includes only string, nails and a wooden board. Number 19 is recycled calendar art. So do you have an old calendar full of photos you love? Then repurpose the pages and create framed artwork for your living room or bedroom. Number 20 is mini chalkboard portraits. So find small wooden boards and paint them with chalkboard paint. Then draw on the faces of family members or friends to create unique portraits. Number 21 is circle punch art. So punch equal sized circles out of various types of pattern and texture papers. Then line them in rows across a canvas for a polished piece of art. Recycle vinyl records by making them into art for your bedroom or guest room. Arrange them across a wall for decor that's both meaningful and musical. Number 23 is eclectic wall collage. So collect wall pieces like decorative plates and vintage picture frames to hang in your kitchen or living room. Then your gallery wall will have meaning, style and plenty of personality. Number 24 is yarn and feather wall hanging. So with a wire wreath frame as your base, tie on pieces of yarn of varying lengths. Then loop feathers into your design with string that matches the color of your yarn. Then hang this wall art into your living room, bedroom or basement and create a statement for the wall or for the room. Number 25 is hanging picture gallery. Turn all the photos you have taken into art. Tie pieces of yarn onto a long wooden dowel and then attach your favorite photos to the yarn. Use colored yarn for an extra pop of color. So this is it. Adding character to your room is an exciting project. Make the process even easier by adding these DIY pieces to your gallery wall. Can Canvas prints and mounted wall art will go nicely with your personalized DIY wall art. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end. And please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.